Muslim religion believes in Jesus as a prophet.
Jesus is a very sacred prophet in Islam. So much so that when God sends his messenger back down...
I believe in Jesus. I follow Jesus. I believe in Jesus as a prophet and the messenger of Allah. And I follow him. You are not a Muslim if you don't believe in Jesus. You know? And... yeah. Togetherness, you know, praying together, you know, oneness. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. You know, this is so beautiful. This is somewhere in New York. Somewhere in America. This is beautiful. You know, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is serious. It's real. Guys, and I would like you to watch this. You know, Islam, Muslims don't fear animals. They treat animals very well. Even animals stay very, very close to them. You know, I notice now I have a lot of birds coming around my house. And sometimes you see them walk around my feet because they know I cannot hurt them. You know, all these animals, they know when you are aggressive, that if you see them, you are going to hurt them. They will not come close to you. I know if I'm sitting down now, I see birds coming around me. When I'm walking, they are not afraid to fly away. I'm noticing it now. I'm noticing that the birds, they are very, very free with me. They come and sit around my balcony. You know, it's beautiful. I want you to watch this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Sometimes I imagine, when will my world be like this? When will my own world be like this? Guys, I believe in Jesus and I follow Jesus. May Allah bless you as you share this video for others to see, and I will see you on my live streaming. Thank you.